Come test drive the 2014 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, push button start, security system, cruise control, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.